In today's video, I'm going to talk about the big problem about NFTs that no one talks about. There's nothing like an explosion of blockchain news to leave you thinking, what's going on here? That's the feeling I've experienced while reading about Grimes getting millions of dollars for NFTs or about Neon Cat being sold as one. And by the time we all thought we sort of knew what the deal was, the founder of Twitter put an autographed tweet up for sale as an NFT. So here's what the fuss is all about: why NFTs are both a phenomenal invention and becoming a problem, and then the future.
Hi, welcome to Easy Digital Commissions, where we show you the latest ways to make money online. My name's Matthew, and I'm Bobby's assistant doing this video today. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
And today we'll let you know about the problems of NFTs. What is NFT? Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have taken the world by storm thanks to their ability to assign value to everything from art to music to a simple selfie. The sales of NFTs surged to $25 billion in 2021 as the crypto asset exploded in popularity, fueled by the rising interest of celebrities and tech evangelists, according to market data tracker DappRadar Data Analytics. However, some experts believe NFTs are a bubble that might pop. Anything that can be converted into a digital form can be an NFT. Everything